In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Forsaken with high ping. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have high ping, you can still play Forsaken, so the process of joining and playing is still going to be the same. You just open up Roblox, look for Forsaken, and you can go ahead and join either a public server or make a private one. Of course, when you actually get in game and you start moving around and interacting with other players, you will notice when you have high ping. Sometimes it might seem that you are super far away from a killer, but they are still able to pin you down and attack. Sometimes it feels like your character is lagging behind. Sometimes the movement will be choppy, actions will not work, and so on. The sad reality is that in general, there is not much that you can do in regards to ping. They have a bunch of settings that will help you in quality of life, in optimization, in gameplay, but at the end of the day, if your internet connection is bad or you are located far away from the game servers, you won't be able to do anything besides just changing your network. Unless you get closer to the game servers or you try to use some form of VPN, sadly, you won't be able to really get better ping. Network problems are difficult to address, and like I said, besides just moving closer to the game server, which is not a viable option, there's not much to do. You can still play and enjoy Forsaken, but just be aware that when you have those moments where the game feels choppy, you feel like you are getting hit by attacks unfairly, it's just going to be the reality of trying to play with high ping, and there's not much that you can do to address it. So I hope I was able to clear up any questions that you had. If this video cleared them up, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.